So, you need a gift for that knife maker in your life, but you don't know what to get them? Well, I've got you covered. I've constructed a list of 10 best gifts to give a knife maker. So, Christmas is around the corner and you need a gift for that knife maker in your life. This list I've constructed about 10 products that have no specific order, but the last one is very, very important and they can't have too much of those. Okay, so product number 1 is this caliper. So calipers are very important in knife making. For almost all your measuring requirements, you use a caliper. They are super precise and they have this hardened bits on the front so you can scrape material off. And that leads me into the second product, which is this marking glue. You spray this on your steel and you use the calipers to mark out your knife and where you drill your holes and everything with this marking glue. Okay, so continuing on the subject of marking out your knife, you get this squares. Squares are also very important for knife making. It helps you mark out your bevels and where your holes are going to be drilled and everything. They are relatively cheap and you get them in a lot of sizes and also different forms. This one can move and this one is just a little smaller, so you get them in a lot of different shapes and sizes and requirements and features and everything, but anyone will actually work. So the fifth product on this list is a punch. You use this to put a little hole in your steel before you drill out, otherwise the drill bit walks around on the steel. You get them in a lot of shapes and sizes, but it doesn't matter which shape or which size you get them. This is essential for every knife maker. They say you can fix everything with a hammer, and that is all what knife making is about. It is like shaping steel with hammers or with grinders and everything, but a hammer is essential. You can't punch the punch without a hammer, and if you mess up, a hammer will work. Okay, so next up is these blocks. What do these blocks actually do? So you use them to clamp your handles onto your steel and drill your holes through. So this will save you so much time you can't even understand. They are relatively cheap and they have a 90 degrees, so they double as a square, but these are so nice to have in the workshop. Product number 7, I think, I lost track of the count, is handle materials. You get them in all different colors and types of bone. This is giraffe bone and this is screw bone. Now this is very, very nice gifts as a knife maker. Product number 8, I think, is the Scribe. I made this one myself, but you can buy them at any builders or Chamberlains or anything, and they're relatively cheap. Now you use this to scratch out on your marking glue that I described earlier in this video. So this is really nice to have for a knife maker. Ninth, almost the last product. It's not really essential, but it's a really, really nice to have product. And this is just like a die grinder type of thing. And yeah, you use it. It has a lot of different bits and everything, so you can use it from drilling to sanding to shaping to everything your heart desire you can do with this machine. Okay, so the most important thing in any knife maker's workshop, and they can't have too much, I'll guarantee you that, is clamps. I have a lot of clamps. That's just only what I can fit in my hand, but I have clamps over there, so you can't have too many clamps. This is for gluing up your handle materials, and the more clamps you have, the better the glue up, so you can't have too much clamps, and this is the most important tool, I guarantee. I'm currently busy editing a video about 10 best products to get for Christmas for a knife maker, and I just want to jump in here. The video is almost done. I just want to tell you guys, I'm going on vacation for a month. I'm going to Botswana to catch some tiger fish, I hope so, but I'm going on vacation for a month and I won't be posting any YouTube videos in that month, but I will document the whole trip and everything, and then I will post a video, just only one video, about the whole vacation. But I will still continue posting on my TikTok account, like daily stuff, like updates and everything, when I have signal actually. So if you want to go and check what I'm doing in my vacation and what type of fish I catch and everything, go and look at my TikTok. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and before you go, please hit the subscribe and the like button. But that is a list of the 10 products I would buy a knife maker. If you buy one of these for knife maker, I will guarantee you they will have a smile on their face.